One of the most important parts of learning with me is the course webpage. Now, most of you are computer scientists. You know what a webpage is, but it's important to go through this perhaps a little tedious exercise of looking at the webpage, as this webpage is how you're going to know what to read, what lectures to watch, and when to turn in your homeworks. Unlike other professors at the University of Maryland, I try to use Canvas Elms as little as possible. There are 3 reasons for this. One is that I have a responsibility to make my educational materials available to the public, and Canvas makes it difficult for me to do that. 2, students should be able to see what they're getting into before they sign up for my class, and when a semester starts, sometimes people have trouble signing up in a timely fashion, so there shouldn't be any additional friction to watching the lectures or starting on the homework. And 3, Canvas has usability issues, and I prefer to minimize my use of it as much as possible. I want to reinforce, however, that the webpage does not replace the syllabus. The syllabus is still incredibly important. It goes over the rules and procedures for the class, but the webpage has all of our day-to-day information.
To all the university students, yo, syllabus. You gotta do it, you gotta read it.
Snoop Dogg is right, the syllabus is super important. So let's take a look at the top of a webpage for a completed class. Your webpage is still under construction. First up is where and when the class is, the syllabus, super important, the book that we're using, and where you can sign up for the course mailing list, Piazza, founded by a UMD alumna, and where you can turn in your homeworks, Gradescope, founded by Berkeley alumni. Next up, you can see the course staff and when they have office hours. For me, I sometimes have office hours you have to schedule in advance, so click through on the link to schedule office hours if there isn't a time listed. Okay, that's the big picture stuff. Let's now look at the schedule for the course. Each day is a row in the big table. This is organized in blocks. 1 block per day, per class. First, the lectures. To be clear, these are the videos you should watch before the class is scheduled. For a given class, they're listed in order, so you should go in the order listed here. I'll try to make it so that YouTube shows you the correct next video in the end roll, but sometimes that gets messed up. So go based on what's here on the webpage rather than what's on YouTube. Also, don't freak out if there are a lot of videos. I try to keep them short so it's not overwhelming. And you can take a break and come back. Below that are the readings. For the first day of class, they'll be optional, but they won't be optional after that. You should read these before class, as it will expand on what we cover in the lecture. Figure out whether it works better for you to read the readings before or after the lecture. However, the quizzes and exams will mostly come from the lecture, so you may want to focus on that a little bit more. Scrolling down the page, you'll see future classes with the dates in the leftmost column. The third column is reserved for homeworks. These are listed in the schedule based on the day that they're due, so make sure that you start early. Don't start on the day that they're due. So that's it. That's the course webpage. You'll be getting to know it a lot better in the next couple of months. This is just one video from a course that I'm teaching. If you want to get the whole context, check out the course webpage, linked below. There you can find all of the videos in the right order. YouTube likes to show you older videos out of order, homeworks, exercises, and recommended readings. And if you want to help other people find videos like this, please be sure to like and subscribe to provide a big gradient to the algorithm.